First, create a new layer. I am picking rounded rectangle tool and draw like this. Change the stroke type to gradient. I am selecting this gradient. Change the stroke width. You can see the stroke. You can align the stroke like this. If you want, you can change the border type like this. Also, I am changing the stroke width. You can change the radius like this. Press Ctrl+T to change the size of the border. I am changing the border size like this. Press Ctrl+T to change the size of the border. I am changing the border size like this. Now I am going to add an image like this. And I am scaling it like this. Select image layer and drag and drop it below the border layer. I am changing the gradient color of the border to match with the image. So this is the easy way to create a border in Photoshop. So if you like this tutorial, hit like button and don't forget to subscribe my channel to just stay tuned to all my future videos. Thanks for watching.